we're doing a tutorial how to make
lemonade.
Another
Game Boys video. It's going like the Cooking Boys, right?
Therefore,
on the phone, sorry.
I should be paid.
So
She wants to
you
worry
cut the
about
lemon.
it. Now she's got to worry about that.
Shouldn't we do a Gaming Boys cooking channel?
Yeah, that's basically it.
Yeah.
Take your lemon squeezer. We have another one, but we're not really using that one.
Yeah.
Take your lemon.
But she expects everybody to do it.
I don't really know how this goes, but apparently you put the half of the lemon.
What are you gonna do?
I don't think that's how it works, but okay.
Don't you like put it like
where? No. Where's the instructions to this? I'm pretty sure. No, I'm pretty sure you clip it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like that.
You can't. It's wait. Yeah, sorry. We're having some technical difficulties.
No.
You gotta like put it in there. Gotta have like actually in like.
There you go.
There we go.
I don't think we have the right size.
Over the cup.
I don't think we have.
3, 2, 1.
You gotta have strength for this.
Squeeze. Scare's just gonna pop out everywhere. Yeah, I think.
Alright, let's use the other one.
Wait. Oh, that's working. Wait, that actually works.
Really?
No, well, that's what I'm saying. That's the stuff
I'm doing it
start
slowly.
charging now.
Gotta have it like this.
Track everything here. Remember this when that happened? Well, I put my time in. So I expect to be compensated.
Oh no! Wait, we put it on the wrong way.
And making sure everybody's
Like,
no. To make sure this is what I get paid, right? I'm entitled to it.
Okay, let's just use it.
Wait, I know how to use it now. Nope, this is probably gonna break.
Okay, yeah, let's just use the other lemon squeezer.
Wait, that actually did something. Alright, that one's harder. Can you just put this up, please? Thanks, Lynn.
Trash. You're absolute dog water.
Suck at Fortnite. Yeah, sucks at Fortnite.
You suck.
At Fortnite.
He doesn't even know how to hold the gun. Pew pew. They don't know how to use a pew pew.
A little pew pew.
Pew pew.
Yeah, this.
Right.
I 1v1 you. And I'll pew pew you.
With my ass.
No, I think it was pretty good.
It's better to just squeeze it, but I'm not, because we're gonna be selling this.
You want and make it. And okay, that was absolute trash.
That's just fun.
That was a trash con. Sorry
well, what's
about
the
that.
miss? Everything
Keep him busy, Nolan. Just keep him busy. But talk.
Ow.
What did she miss? That's what I would have said. What did Mom miss?
Hi. Sorry. Hi.
Sorry, guys.
It's kind of hard.
I know.
Hi.
Excuse me. Imagine trying to do this daily, guys. I try to make videos daily, but then the charger broke on my computer.
Yeah.
There you go. You decided not to say anything.
Charger. That took like.
So there you go.
2 days.
3 days.
3 days. I was about to say that. No, it took like a week. They're sticky.
Just gotta do this. Gotta do some surgery on that lemon.
We should have washed our hands first.
It's fine. Now you wash your hands like at the end. Alright, we got one juicy lemon coming up.
I also got
Ooh, that's one juicy lemon, guys. Ooh, that's juicy.
If you guys want to like lemonade, you can do this technique. You can do this tutorial with any type of lemonade. I mean,
you could do this with lime. You can make limeade.
We do not.
You guys actually could try this with limes. If the comments are turned on, YouTube loves turning our comments off. Yeah. Alright. Got one more lemon, guys. Alright, so what you're supposed cut up 2 lemons. When you cut up 2 lemons.
My napkin in the sink. Sorry, guys.
When you cut up your 2 lemons, and then you squeeze them with a squeezer, whatever you got.
Hand gloves. If you're gonna use hands, I'd use gloves.
Yep.
Don't prepare like weapons and make it disgusting. Don't make stuff. Get it?
Nice fun. No, I don't think they can hear you.
Now, I
That was
don't
actually
understand. What does that have to do
that's a
with?
trash
What
pun.
did your mom say?
That was-
That have to do with your
Don't
memorial
hand
I don't
make
understand.
them.
But we get it. We get it. But it's not
Make
that.
them.
We get it.
Hand.
Oh, is Betsy gonna
No,
try
Oh
to
my
make
god.
fun of
Hand
you today?
make them. There you go. Finally. You're like.
I don't get
No.
Huh?
Oh, high five.
All right.
Did she?
Grab
Okay,
this.
so there you go.
Take off the lid. Ooh, that's strong.
Really?
Pour it in your lemonade.
Okay.
That's number
Batch.
one. We're gonna
Grab 1 cup
we're
of
gonna
water.
do like
Wait.
100
1 cup of water.
batches.
All right.
The water's gonna make this process.
Wait 1 sec.
8 cups.
1 sec. Because we added some water already. So wait.
6 more cups.
No, wait. Do 5 more. 5 more cups. 5 more. We got that.
Cup number 1.
Wait, no, not 1. 2. Wait. Stop. No.
Oh yeah, right.
Dude, let go, dude. Dude, you're about to make
Why can't I pour it?
I'm the pouring god.
You walk a little faster.
Couple
Cup
more
number
cups.
2.
No, wait.
Cup number 3.
Yeah, 3. Yeah, alright.
Ow.
Yeah, 2 more.
Oh, sorry. I want to make it. That sucked. That was not good.
Guys. 1 like equals 1 save. Alright. Last cup.
You.
You.
Let's both do each other.
No.
You.
Stop. Ah!
When you rub,
Actually hurt.
when you rub, you have to do it. You can't run. They can't run away from you. You got the rubbing power. It freeze. The rubbing power is the freeze power. The rubbing power, its specialty is freezing somebody, and you have to unlift the curse. The rubbing curse. You have to do it with the power of the goo.
Come on, stop. You can't hit me when I'm doing this. Like, literally, you can't.
Oh, you could just put the whole. Now that we have a bigger. It's a lot of sugar.
No.
So 8 cups of sugar.
No, not 8.
Ah.
Alright, we're good. We're good on sugar. Alright, then make sure you get your 8 cups of sugar, 8 cups of water, and 1 cup of lemon juice. Then stir it. It should be about this much. I don't know if we did a little too much. And then when you got that, for some fresh flavors, you want some fresh flavoring.
Flavor.
Cut your lemon.
The only flavor you need is the flavor of goo.
None. Stop hitting me when I'm cutting.
Do not interrupt each other. When someone has a knife in their hand, you do not bother them at all.
And then
You
got
cut
you.
cut
Get
yourself,
here.
you cut
Go.
anyone.
Alright, you can just get in for some flavoring. Flavor! If you want to keep it fresh. And then you could add like some mint trees or whatever. You could add as much as you want. I'm adding 2.
Aiden.
And then, what's up?
We are going to.
Then you could just.
We gotta do a
the rest.
Tutorial of doing a raspberry lemonade.
No, we don't even know how to make raspberry lemonade.
We'll find the ingredients for that.
Yeah, so all you guys gotta
And
do.
we're just going to make it for you for content and also just upgrade for more raspberry lemonade making.
Alright, One last lemon, alright? One last one. Make sure you have it. Pour. And then stir. And then what I like to do mid-stir, grab like a spoon or something. Grab some sugar. It got to be a spoonful of sugar.
Put your hands up and give me all your cheddar.
All the
You guys know what that is from.
Put your hands up and give me all your cheddar.
Job Simulator VR.
I know what I'm talking. Stir it. Stir it.
Let me get it.
Nah, dude. Dude, don't yet. Alright, when it's done stirring.
Just grab it all, take it all, and grab, and then just buy some lemonade from your local store, and there you go. A tutorial how to make lemonade for lazy.
Grab a straw.
Take it all. Wait, let
Taste
me
it
have
like
taste. Let me have
You
taste.
stirred.
I need taste.
No, that needs stir. Make sure to really stir it. Okay, get a cup of water, please.
Fine. Where's the cup?
Actually, no, never mind.
Yeah, I'll find a way.
No, we don't need a cup of water.
I'll find a way.
I thought, no, we actually don't need a cup of water.
Guide you through. I said find a way to make the lemonade.
Grab your spoon. Grab some lemonade.
No. Alright, let me at least try some.
I'll get you
Let me try some.
Guys, that is homemade lemonade. Bye.